It's Joanna here with
Nikolai.
and we're taking over Holiday's page again, and we are here at JFK because we are going where?
To the Nassau, Bahamas.
Nassau, Bahamas. Atlantis. We're early. Check-in is at 3 and it's before 10 a.m. So we're going to just walk around, see if they can hold our bags, and this is paradise. Super early. We're going to explore and go eat. There is basically an aquarium in the hotel. Walking through the Royal. We just booked some of our excursions. Still waiting for our room. At the aquarium. This is the top of it. You can go snorkeling.
Any fish?
So we just got to our room. And coming in here.
We are coming inside the bathroom.
We have
And we have a beautiful tub where you can probably play.
It's just to take a shower.
Take a shower. You got this beautiful sink. You got the beautiful toilet.
And door to close.
Beautiful picture of this.
Coming over here. 2 full-size, maybe queen-size bed. We have their fridge, but we can't move anything because it's censored. And if you move anything, you get charged for it. Coming outside to our balcony. We're on the 3rd floor.
Oh, nice and warm.
It's very nice and warm. We had a rain cloud before. We heard some thunder. I don't get to see the pool, but it's over there with the slide. We're gonna get changed and we're going to head down to the beach. Getting ready to go to the beach. We're gonna walk through some of the resort. So that's where our room roughly was. And you got the pool on that side. And between those trees is the big water slide that you guys see on the advertisements. It's a straight down slide that goes to a shark tank.
Right.
And we're ready to do that. They closed it down for a little bit before because there was a rain cloud. So we're gonna see if we can do it today. If not, another day.
If not, we may do it next time because tomorrow we got a big day.
Oh, tomorrow we got a big day. Surprises in store for you guys. And here we go for the water slide. You walk up, come down, If we walk around, you will see the sharks on the other side, and then that tube on the right is if you want to do the tubes. Okay, Nikolai and I just did the leap of faith, and it's a leap of faith, all right. It's a little scary. You go straight down super fast. You don't really get to see the sharks at all because you go really fast and then you splash. You can come this way. Hey, Nikolai, how was that leap of faith? It was good? Was it a little scary? Yeah? So here we are to see the sharks. Now we're heading over to the beach. We're crossing. You can go snorkeling here. Even though that cloud is looming over, it's still nice. Weather is warm.
Hey guys, so we are going to the beach today.
Yeah, right.
After, what did you just do?
After the faith of what?
The leap of faith.
The leap of faith.
And what is that?
And it was a very fast slide that went like this. And then the end part was like this.
Were you scared?
I was a little scared like this.
But you did it.
Yep.
Here we're going to go through the casino towers, the beach towers. Here's some shops. Walking through this to the Marina Village. More restaurants out here. Mary's Deli. We have a pizzeria. We're looking for Seafire Steakhouse. And alright, Seafire Steakhouse. Continuing down the Marina Village. Going to the Dolphin cave. You excited to swim with dolphins?
Yep.
Let's see. We just registered. You can get a beach pass if you want to see your family be with the dolphins.
Right.
Now we're going to go to our orientation.
Wait, Joanna, is this where the dolphins are?
We're going to find out. We have to go to our orientation. See, I think they're there with the dolphins. You really don't need to leave the Royal Atlantis. They have everything for everyone. They even have MAC if you forget your makeup or you want to get new ones. Oh, of course, your Rolex. Coral Beach Towers. We're staying in the East Tower. Coming back out to the Marina Village where we were last night. There was a yacht there last night and it's gone. And the Seafire Steakhouse was delicious. And we actually were 2 tables away from Patrick Ewing. Atlantis Kids Adventures. So here to our left, which is the Kid Adventures, is actually kind of like a daycare. So if adults have something planned adult-wise, you can leave your kids for hours and they're well taken care of while you go do your adventures. Coming over here, we have arcades. They have Atlantis Speedway for the kids. So they build the cars, you can race them, and then you take them home. It is $56. You have to design and build your race car. You come over here, you come to the racetrack, and you go ahead and you race it around. And then after that, you get to take it home with you and use it at home. You can charge it for up to 4 hours, no more than 4 hours, and then you can just have a great souvenir.
What's getting out of there?
This is the cone. Yes, it is. It's something like a sea snail. It tastes like something like calamari. You want to touch it? Yes. He's more afraid of you than you are of him.